There are too many good players on that team, so you just gotta help out. Like I said, I really admire. Lalo na si Don. It was really very hard time for him to adjust. He played with talk and text, Elasto, ang dami.
Where was Artadi going? Yamado's fortunate to be keeping the basketball with 13 on the shot clock. Pingris on the right side still has that basketball, and now the shot clock winds down. Double team on Pingris. 3 to shoot. Artadi floater, no go. Rain or shine, down by 10 big points. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Arellano in motion. Arellano, tight situation. And the Llamados are on the run. Kid Lightning on the move. And layup won't work.
They threw up a prayer there against a very, very big defender, Marcio Arellano. Norwood didn't take it. He copped out because of the defense.
Here's Cruz. Jervy Cruz, they give him the shot, and he takes it, and he makes it.
You know, the way that the Elasto Painters are playing, you'd be surprised if they're just down by 8 because their percentages from the field are very low. They're only about a little over 20% in this from the field here in this ball game.
We'll call a holding foul against Marcio Arellano. Rico Meyerhofer and Chris Timberlake are back in the ball game. Pingris will sit down.
Artadi will also sit down. Seeing only about 4 or 5 minutes of playing time here. 3 minutes and a half to go left in this second quarter. Low scoring as usual. Basta't kalaban nyo ang B-Meg, low scoring ka na.
Missed by Timberlake. Getting to see a lot of minutes in this ball game. Here's Reyes. And rain or shine, they want to plan this carefully. With 3 and 10 remaining in the second quarter, they are down by 8 points, 36-28. At ito po ang PBA Wednesday live on Solar TV. Kanina, nanalo ang Ginebra over Air 21, 101-100. And we'll be back with more after this timeout. You get a chance to watch your favorite PBA players live. Just text Solar space PBA space the mystery keyword and send to 2600 for a chance to win tickets to the games. Ito na. Balato na namin ni Dr. J ang mystery keyword. Hero. H-E-R-O. Hero.
Hindi Pasko ngayon, ha?
Text away. Text away. Para po sa inyong lahat yan. Alright, now Jai Lewis and his comrades in rain or shine, they are down by 8 points. With 3 and 10 remaining, we're coming off a rain or shine timeout. This sends it to Arellano on the right side. 10 to shoot. Arellano makes his move, collides with Meyerhofer, and that's an offensive foul.
That's his second foul.
Yan ang nagpapatanda sa head coach. When you call a timeout, it leads to a turnover.
Yeah, they were ready to go into their offensive play, and he was asked to call a timeout, you know.
Timberlake. James Yap. One-hander, no go, in and out. Adokol with a rebound, no go. Brown keeping that ball alive. One more tap, and the ball ends up with Jai Lewis. And here's Gabe Norwood. So 2.5 remaining in the first half. And it's still an 8-point lead para sa Derby Ace. Dangerous pass. Last touch on Adukol. This will leave rain or shine with 5.
You know, without Sol Mercado there on the floor, there's no speed game actually for rain or shine. And then Pupils do challenge them on the offensive rebounding, no? Kaya nga medyo hindi sila nagkakaroon ng speed game. At saka ito, layo ng bato. Only a couple of seconds left. He doesn't even know it.
Well, he fires away. And that's an air ball.
He didn't know.
So Arellano will sit down. So So binalik na si Sol Mercado dito with 2:14 remaining in the first half.
Look at that score, 36-28. Purefoot shooting 41% from the field. Rain or shine below 30%, 31.
James Yap, double team. His pass broken up. It will stay with the Llamados, and they have 10 seconds on the shot clock. James Yap really shackled in that play by two Raider Shine defenders. And now Adugo will sit down in favor of long, tall Rafi Rivas. A near steal para kay Gabe Norwood.
Another one here.
And now Timberlake hands off Rivas. Rivas 15-footer. And James Yap caught stepping on the baseline when he touched the basketball. Kaya turnover yan laban sa Llamados.
Both teams really showing very tight defense here.
Under 2 minutes remaining in a low-scoring first half. Norwood. Telan asking for the ball. And the ball will stay with the Elasto Painters, and they have 15 on the shot clock. No easy points for both teams, especially here in the second quarter. There's Aranya. Then to shoot. Sol Mercado breakdown move. And he will not get the ball back. It ends up with Meyerhofer. Ang problema, bumagsak si Meyerhofer on the line. So babalik na naman sa Rainer side ng bola.
A great hustle on the part of both players. Meyerhofer going for the loose ball recovery. And Sol Mercado, seeing the ball loose, also tried to make an effort to go for it. Nakasona ngayon dito ang Derby Ace Llamados. Oh, the referee corrected himself there. Nakuha sa apila. Nakuha sa apila.
Referee Edward Aquino corrects himself and says it's B-Meg Derby Ace basketball. And now Timberlake has it. A minute and 15 remaining in the first half.
Wala namang problema yun as long as he's correct, as long as he made the right call. There's not a problem.
Brown fires. And that ball ends up with James Yap, and he is fouled.
Collision there between Aranya and James Yap.
Pushing down the maintain that's a second down of 3.
Second foul laban kay Aranya. Third team foul laban sa Rainer Shine, and this will send James Carlos Yap to the free throw line.
These are the first 2 free throws for James Yap in this ball game. From the field, he's 3 out of 7. And he's hoping to improve on his scoring here. And he misses. He's really been struggling with his free throw shots. Against San Miguel the other night, he missed all the free throws in the fourth quarter that was given. Bumaba na sa 70% ang free throw shooting nito. Inong araw ito, baka mga 90, minamalas ito, 88
That free throw, that free throw brought to you by B-Meg Derby Ace Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Llamado. Here's Mercado outside Lewis. Under a minute to play in the first half. Norwood. Telan saves the ball. New shot clock para sa Rainer Shine. We've seen a lot of hustle plays from a lot of veteran players in this first half. Norwood, Mercado, they swing it over. Aranya. Aranya slices through, lost the ball. Nice swipe by Timberlake. Timberlake. Oh, ball fake beauty. Yes, sir.
Medyo maganda linaro dito nito. Maganda contribution niya para sa kanyang team. He has 7 in the ball game. Now, Derby Ace has fouls to give, and they know it. And they might use it.
10 seconds to go in the first half.
There's one. They still have one to give. James knew it. There was instructions from the bench reminding the players, and a 30-second timeout will be called there.
With 8.7 seconds remaining in the first half, lamang po ang B-Meg Derby Ace 39. 28. This 30-second time.